This is a known and licensed car workshop. It doesn't pose any risk and doesn't carry out any work except painting cars. Suddenly at 1 a.m. we got news that the workshop was bombed. Absolutely no rockets or anything else were launched from here. The workshop is, as you can see, well, it's for painting and fizzing cars only.
We went to sleep at around 1:20 a.m. and we heard heavy rocket fire. It was so strong that we went outside to see what was happening. When I woke up in the morning, I was about to go on a school trip with the bus. That's when I found it shattered and broken.